In this video, I am going to show everything you need to know about where statement, including its operators. Where statement is used for subsetting the original data for processing. To save our time, I have already written the code. I have imported the dataset using import procedure. I have created this dataset to show examples of where statements and its operators. I will just import the dataset here. This is our dataset. The dataset contains company name, number of employees, average salary, and location of the company. Using where statement, we can report as well as store the subset of the data. If we write where statement in dataset block, it will store the subset. And if we write where statement in procedure block, it will simply report the subset. This is the example. If we want to store the data related to Satyan company permanently, we will use where statement in dataset block like this. Data 1, you can use any dataset name here. Set import, this is our main dataset where CNAME is equal to Satyan. I have written this company name in inverted comma because this variable is in character format. If we want to just report the subsetted data, then we will use where statement in procedure block like this. Proc print data is equal to import where CNAME is equal to Satyan. It will simply print the data which include information of Satyan company only like this. And if we run this code, it will generate the new data set called 1 which has the information of the company Satyan. If we want to report 2 or more required companies data, then we will use OR operator. This is an example. Suppose we want to report Satyam as well as Gobal companies data, then the code will be proc print data is equal to our data set where CNAME is equal to Satyam or CNAME is equal to global. When we hit the run button, we get all the information about both the companies. Suppose we want to report the data of companies whose number of employees are between 200 and 500. We can do it using between operator like this, where employees between 200 and 500. And when we run it, we will get the companies who have number of employees between 200 and 500. Like this, 200 and 500 only. Suppose we want to report all the company's data except Satyam, then we will simply use where CNAME not equal to Satyam. Instead of equal to, we will use not equal to and we will get all the company data except Satyam. Like this. Suppose we want to report all the company's data except Satyam and global, then we will do it using AND operator, where CNAME is not equal to Satyam and CNAME is not equal to global. When we run it, we will get all the company's data except Satyam and global like this. Suppose if we want to report the missing values in any numeric variable, we will use the where statement like this, where average salary equal to dot. I have used dot here because if any value in numeric variable is missing, it is denoted as a dot. When we run it, we will get the required subset where average salary is missing. To report the non-missing values in any numeric variable, we will simply use non-equal to instead of equal to. Like when we run it, we will get the non-missing values in average salary. Like this. To report missing values in any character variable, the code will be where CNAME is equal to blank, which is in inverted comma. because in any character variable the missing value is denoted as blank, and I have used inverted comma here because this CNAME variable is in character format. When I run it, because there is no any missing values in CNAME, it won't show us the result. But we can see here we have one missing value in location. We will simply change the variable name to location. Like which we have subsetted the data successfully, which has blank location. To report non-missing values based on all variables in dataset, we will use where CNAME not equal to blank in inverted comma and employees not equal to dot and average salary not equal to dot and location not equal to blank again. And when we run it, we get all the non-missing data. Hence we get the clean data here. And if we want to report the missing values based on all variables in dataset, we will use not equal to instead of not equal to and or operator instead of and operator. When we run it, we will get the data which has missing value. Next is like operator. Using like operator, we can produce the result based on part of the matching. Like operator can be used only for character variable. Percentage sign indicates n number of characters and underscore sign indicates only one character. Here is the example. Suppose we want to report the data of companies whose location starts with character M. Then the code simply will be where location like M and percentage. Because the percentage indicates n number of characters, we want the location start with character M. When we run it, we will get the location which start with M, that is Mumbai. To report the data of companies whose name starts with S character and has 4 characters after that, the code will be procprint data is equal to import where CNAME like S and these are 4 underscore because 1 underscore indicates 1 character. When we run it, we will get the data in which company name start with S and has 4 characters after S, which is sling. Next is in operator investment. In operator works as or operator only. Suppose we want to report 2 or more companies data. The code will be procprint data is equal to import where CNAME in bracket Satyen, comma Mako. We will get the data related to that both companies only, like this. Suppose we want to report all companies data except Satyam and Moko. The code will be where CNAME not in Satyam, comma Moko. Here instead of only in we have used not in. We will get all companies data except Satyam and Moko. I forgot to select the like this.